Ouch! Whoops, sorry, I was going too fast. Hi, friends. The road is very icy and slippery here. Did you recognize me with these glasses? I'm Jacob. Welcome to another episode of New English Podcast. And just look at what I'm wearing and all the snow around me. I'm in Greenland, and it's pretty chilly. It's about minus 15 degrees Celsius. That's around 5 degrees Fahrenheit. Great. Now I'm going to call Joy. She should be in the studio. Joy, can you hear me? Hello? Joy, can you hear me? Hello?
Hello? Jacob! Yes, I can hear you. But where are you?
I'm in a very cold place.
Really? And where exactly?
In Greenland.
In Greenland? Oh, wow. And you didn't tell me anything?
Well, someone had to stay in the studio, Joy.
Okay, fine. But tell me, what is Greenland like? I know almost nothing about it.
Okay, Greenland is a huge island far in the north.
How huge is it?
Like, bigger than Mexico. Or 3 times the size of France.
Wait, that big?
Yeah, it's one of the largest islands in the world. But here's the thing. 80% of it is just ice. So from above, it looks like one giant white blanket.
Wow. And people live there?
Yes, but not many. There are about 56,000 people, and most of them live along the coast, near the sea.
And who are these people?
Many are descendants of the Inuit people, the original inhabitants of Greenland. They have lived here for thousands of years. There are also some Danish people and others, but the Inuit culture is very strong here.
So it's not a normal city life?
No, there are no highways or trains between towns. Many places aren't connected by roads.
Oh, so how do people travel? No big cities in the centre, right?
Exactly. No big cities. In summer, people travel by boat between the coastal communities. In winter, when the sea around the islands freezes, they use snowmobiles or dog sleds, which have been used for generations.
That must be a very different way of life.
It really is. Quiet and beautiful. You don't hear cars or big cities, just the wind and the sea. And if you're lucky, you can see the northern lights dancing in the sky at night.
Oh my God! Wow! That would be an amazing view. Okay, it already seems like a completely different place from anywhere else.
Oh, yes, it is. And that's also why it's so fascinating. I was wondering, maybe you'd like to see some cool pictures. It won't take long. I'll show you the rest when I get home.
Oh yes, I want to see something. I think it would be nice for the friends who are listening too.
Okay. Look at this wonderful morning.
It's so peaceful.
Yep, very.
And look at these icebergs. I'm fascinated.
Beautiful, aren't they?
No way! The Northern Lights!
I've never seen anything like that before, Joy.
I believe you. Last one. Oh my God. I'm speechless.
Oh, I was almost forgetting. Look at these cute but strong doggies.
Oh, so lovely. They are running in the snow.
Yes, they are incredible creatures.
Okay, let me continue with my question. Okay, so where exactly are you now?
I'm in Sisimiut, a town on the west coast. It's one of the largest towns in Greenland, but it's still very peaceful.
And what's around you?
Mountains, snow, the sea. and lots of silence. It's a perfect place to be in nature.
And is it really as cold as I imagine?
Yes, Joy. Very, very cold. Today it's below zero. There's snow everywhere, and the wind makes it feel even colder.
Okay, now I'm ready. Tell me what you're doing there.
So, I'm living in a wooden cabin. You would love it. Very cozy. Inside, there's a stove, and I can also light a fire. In the evening, I sit by the fire, drink something warm with the rest of the crew.
Oh, that's lovely. And yes, it looks so cozy. I would wrap myself up in lots of blankets.
In the morning, before going out, I always make myself a big cup of hot black coffee. It's steaming hot, perfect for warming up.
And then you go out right away?
Yes. Today, for example, we went outside to walk and climb a bit. It was still dark and it was freezing.
Wow, tell me more.
We are a small group. We wear many layers: heavy jacket, gloves, hat, scarf, everything.
Yes, wearing layers means you put one piece of clothing over another, like a t-shirt, then a sweater, and maybe a jacket on top. And then what do you do out there all day? Walk on the snow without stopping?
Well, we walk and explore the nearby mountains. Every step is a small challenge. The snow is deep and sometimes slippery. And everything is frozen.
Like the Disney movie. It must be tiring and very tough. Walk out there.
Yes, but it's also fun. We stop often to look at the view. Every time you look up, it's just white, blue, and grey. Ice, sky, and mountains. It's incredible.
And what do you do when you're tired or cold?
We take short breaks. We sit on the snow, eat a warm snack or some chocolate, and the steam from our cups warms our faces a little. It's a very silent place.
Wow, it must be amazing.
It's magical sometimes. A very different place to where we live. I would tell you more, Joy, but now I need to get ready for another hike.
That's fine, Jacob. I'm sure our friends liked this story about Greenland.
I hope so. A little taste, simple and easy to understand, of what this place is like.
We will see you in the next episode. Don't forget the exercises in the description, and please subscribe to the channel and leave a like on the episode.
See you soon, friends. A big hug.
Take care and stay safe.